Hello, to begin with, I like to talk about the video of Trevor Noah. I think, in my personal opinion, it's more coherent compared with the Donald Trump video, since the situation that has been presenting regarding the irresponsible of using weapons in the United States is worrying, with the excuse that it is for self-defense. They say, I say weapon and no responsible hands is a lethal and it goes against life. To start with, I would like to make a brief introduction about gun control in the United States and the problems that have been arising from deaths due to the lack of control by the government, where they say that the citizens should have a gun for protect themselves from death. But I disagree because, in fact, I brought countless of deaths. Starting with mass shooting between 2009 and 2016, 156 mass shooting with a total balance of 848 people dead and 339 injuries. And what to say about shootings in American schools between 2013 and 2018? There were 316 firearms incidents. For example, on February 14, 2018, 17 people were killed in the Parkland, Florida high school shooting. Therefore, this tragedy has served to unite and inspire students and young people around the world who are calling for legislative reform where gun control is stricter to improve the safety of citizens and families. It is important to highlight that the mass public shootings affect thousands of people and families, affect psychologically and emotionally, where everyone feels afraid even to go out into the street, is where human rights begin to weaken and are affected. Starting with the right to life, education, religion, and leisure, since people feel afraid to go out to many places due to the problem of mass shooting. Well, in my opinion, I don't think that people should carry a gun in a public place and acquire it as easily as allowed in the United States. Right now, firstly, there should be a strict control of not allowing weapons to be brought into public places. And secondly, it's responsibility of the state to protect citizens and provide them the security and the right to life. A new proposal should be made by the American government, resulting in an extreme regulation in which the psychological profile of the person who is going to carry on weapons and their background they should be studied, and the creation of a system of licensing and registration of weapons are first studied. To end my debate of the subject, I think the life should be respect, and if all citizens can easily acquire weapons without control, without an adequate psychological study, it is crazy. Since many human beings cannot control their emotions in a moment of anger, depression, they don't have the ability to control, and in fact, this can end in a massacre, as we have seen recent cases in the United States, where many families are affected. To end, it should be noted that we are talking about life, which should be more important than the economy and the political interests of a country. Thank you.